Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're noticing icons are missing from your start menu on Windows 11. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do just to start is right click on the taskbar, select Task Manager, expand the App section, and if you see the Windows Explorer listed in here, you want to right click on it and select Restart. And then hopefully that should have resolved the issue. So something else we can try, if you actually open up the start button, just by left clicking on that, you can expand versus all apps, just click on that, and then locate the app that you want to pin to your start menu. This would right click on it, and you would select pin to start. And then if we went back, it should appear in the pin section here. There's only so many spots that allow you to pin to your start menu. So let me go ahead and actually unpin one of these items from the start menu here. And you can see that it'll expand down, so you can go up and down. You can also drag them around. If you want to move them around, move them further up, for example. Pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.